What is the best method to seal silver to prevent tarnishing?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss a very important topic for those who cherish their silver possessions. Have you ever noticed your silver items becoming discolored or dull? That's called tarnishing, and it's a common issue with silver. But don't worry, we're here to help. We will go through the best methods to seal silver to prevent tarnishing. So let's jump into it.
What causes silver to tarnish?
Before we dive into solutions, it's important to understand what causes tarnishing. Tarnishing, or oxidization, happens when silver comes into contact with sulfur compounds in the air. This reaction forms a layer of tarnish, silver sulfide, that can make your silver items lose their luster and become dull or discolored.
Preparing your silver for sealing.
Firstly, make sure your silver items are clean and free of any existing tarnish. Use a silver polish and a soft cloth to gently clean your silver. Rinse thoroughly and dry it well to prepare it for sealing.
Sealing your silver.
There are several methods you can use to seal your silver and protect it from tarnishing. Here are the two most effective ways. 1. Lacquer. A thin coat of lacquer can provide an effective barrier between silver and the sulfur in the air. Make sure to choose a lacquer that's safe for silver and follow the application instructions on the product. 2. Microcrystalline wax. This type of wax is often used in museums to protect valuable silver items. You can apply a thin layer of the wax using a soft cloth, allowing it to dry before buffing gently. Remember, both methods involve applying a thin, protective layer to the silver, which can be removed if necessary.
Proper storage to prevent tarnishing.
Once you've sealed your silver, you'll want to make sure you store it properly to further prevent tarnishing. Keep your silver in a cool, dry place and consider using anti-tarnish strips, cloths, or bags. Avoid storing silver in places with high humidity or temperature fluctuations, as these conditions can speed up the tarnishing process. That wraps up our discussion on how to seal silver to prevent tarnishing. We hope this guide has been helpful, and that you're now equipped with the knowledge you need to keep your silver shiny and new for years to come. Until next time, take care and happy silver keeping.